How to change your driving test date on the Testi app. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you additional information on changing the date of your test date on the Testi app. Now, unfortunately, you will not be able to change the date if you're going to be using the app because it will just lead you directly into their official site. So first things first. Now what you need is your driving license number, your reference number of the book date that you have paid, and this is going to be the page that you'll need to visit. So all I have to do, because there is no direct option in doing this, make sure to rebook it or change the date on a 10 full working days notice for car driving test and 3 full working days notice for all other tests. Now you just need to send an email directly into customer service at tvsa.gov.uk. And you can also try to locate their contact number, which is going to be here. It's going to be available Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Again, you will not be able to see a direct option in changing your date. You need to have and send a request into this domain right here, and they will gonna provide you results. And that is how you change your driving test date on the Testi app.